Welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain the most in-demand procedure, how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11, which you can use to install Windows on your system. Let's get started without wasting any time. Welcome to my channel. Technicio. What you'll need: 1. A Windows 11 ISO file. 2. Software to create the bootable USB. We'll use Rufus 3. A USB drive minimum 8 GB recommended. Step 1. First, we'll download the Windows 11 ISO image. Open Google and search for Windows 11 ISO. Download your Windows World. From the search results, open the Your Windows World website. This platform provides licensed, paid Windows ISO images in the latest versions, including English and French languages. I've downloaded the English ISO from here. Step 2. After downloading the ISO image, we'll download the software to create the bootable USB. Search for Rufus Software on Google. The first result will be Rufus's official website. Open it and you'll see the software's interface image with download options below. 2 versions are available: standard and portable. I'll download the standard version since I'll use it only on this system. Once downloaded, open the folder where the software and ISO are saved. Now, when you open the Rufus software, it will ask you whether it should automatically check for software updates. You should select Yes, so that your software stays updated whenever a new version is released. While you can still create bootable drives using the old version of Rufus, there might be issues during installation if you don't update. Step 3. Now, plug in the USB drive you want to make bootable. Rufus will automatically detect the USB. Under Boot Selection, you'll see 4 options. The first option is for making a non-bootable device, but we need a bootable one, so select the second option, Disk or ISO image. Click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. After double-clicking the ISO, Rufus will auto-configure most settings. However, adjust the partition scheme based on your system. If your system supports UEFI, non-CSM, select GPT. If your system does not support UEFI, non-CSM, select MBR. You can rename the USB under Volume label. I'll name it Windows 11. Keep the file system as NTFS and leave the Quick Format option checked. If you want, you can check or uncheck the Create Extended Label and Icon Files option. It's up to you. Click Start to begin the process. After clicking Start, the Windows User Experience tab will open, allowing you to customize the Windows installation. However, Rufus automatically checks important options like Remove 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot Requirement, and Remove Requirement for an online Microsoft account. Once you click OK, a confirmation message will appear stating that the USB will be formatted. Confirm by clicking OK again, and the process will begin. Note: formatting the USB will erase all existing data, so ensure backups are made before proceeding. Once completed, your USB will be bootable. If you open this PC and check the USB, you'll see the extracted ISO files. Opening the setup file will launch the Windows installation interface. This means your Windows 11 bootable USB is now ready. In my next video, I'll explain the Windows installation process in detail with a step-by-step guide. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, Technicio. Together, let's end tech frustrations. Thank you.